In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit USDT on Pocket Option. So the first thing you want to do is go to their website, pocketoption.com, and you want to sign in or sign up. And then once you're signed in with your account, you simply want to click on the top up button on the top right, just next to your account. Once you click that, you'll basically have to select the payment method over here. Usually, by default, it's going to be USDT, Tether, so you want to just leave it like this. Or if it's not, you just want to set it in case there's many different options. So click on that, and then you want to type in the amount. So for this instance, we're going to be doing $100, and if you have a promo code, you can just put that in as well, okay? So there's been different promo codes in the past, and there will be in the future, so in case you have one, of course, you can apply it over here. I will not. Then press continue and pay over here. And then you'll see this box appear where it says Tether USDT. Basically, it's going to be confirming everything. And as you can see, the amount is going to be 100. And for me, it already applied a promo code, which is going to be 50 start. So you can use this if you want to. There's some terms and conditions down here, which you have to make sure you are wary of. And if you, of course, want to use this, you can use it. It's going to likely apply to you as well. Or if it doesn't, you can just type it in as well. So I'm not going to use it right now. And I'm just going to go continue and pay $100. Once you do this, you'll be able to see this page which says deposit amount, and then it says it's instantly. And in order to get your USDT payment processed automatically, you'll have to use only Tron network for your transfer. And as you can see, it says if you fail to meet the requirements, this will result in the loss of funds. So let me show you how to actually do this, okay? Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to copy this address over here. And now I will show you the rest inside Trust Wallet over here. So we're gonna be sending some USDT from Trust Wallet to this account over here, which is basically the Pocket Option account. Of course, you can use whatever you want. So you can use Binance, Coinbase, whatever you want to use. Phantom Wallet, doesn't matter. The process is pretty much the same. There's just slight adjustments because, of course, there's different interfaces on different platforms. So first, we're gonna be copying this Tron network address over here. I'm going to click on Trust Wallet, and I'm just going to basically go up here at the very top where it says search. Click on that, and you want to search for USDT. Now, over here, you'll see some different USDTs. Now, let me just disable this, and what you're going to have to do is, as it says over here, you have to use only Tron network. So to actually find USDT in Tron network, click on all networks, look for Tron, which should be somewhere here at the bottom. There we go, Tron. And it will show you USDT Tether as a Tron network. Click on that, and it will open up this Tether on Tron. Then you want to click on send in whichever wallet you are. And of course, you must be holding some USDT to be able to deposit it. And then where it says recipient address, what you're going to have to do is you want to paste in this address over here. Now, once again, up here, it should say on Tron network, which is correct. If you don't use this, this will not work, and you could lose your money. And after you do this, you want to put in a manual if you want to. This is just optional, but the most important thing is the recipient address as well as the amount. So put in the recipient address, which is this one. The network has been set already. And then we have over here the basically the amount. You want to click down here, amount, and then you want to do 100 because I have 100. If you have a different number, of course, you are free to basically type that number in, and you also have to. Once you do this, in case you have sufficient funds, which I do not, I don't have enough balance on here, then you want to just click on preview, and then you want to send, and your USDT will be sent from your exchange on your platform to Pocket Option, and then you can start using it on here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.